We have been learning all about the United States Constitution for Constitution Day. Today, we are going to read a book called The United States Constitution. And in this book, we can find out what it's about by looking at the table of contents. And this gives us a little bit of insight on what we can expect from this book. We will be learning what is the Constitution, creating the Constitution, law of the land, and then at the end of the book, there's a glossary, which will help explain words. There is a page to learn more, where if you wanted to learn more about the Constitution, it tells you where to go. And finally, there's an index. And an index will show you where in the book to find information you're looking for. Let's get started. What is the Constitution? The Constitution explains how the government works. In this picture, this is the caption. A caption is words next to a picture, which tells you what the picture is about. This picture is of the U.S. Capitol building. U.S. stands for United States. The Constitution. It is a document. It lists the basic laws for the United States. A document is something that is written down on paper. This is a copy of the preamble, which is the very beginning of our Constitution and starts, "We the people." In the Constitution, the laws are the rules that our country will follow. Creating the Constitution. The Founding Fathers formed a government for the United States. The Founding Fathers are the group of leaders at the time when our country was started. Here, the caption says, Founding Fathers signing the Constitution. They wanted people to have rights. They wanted freedom for all. And the caption on this page says, Patrick Henry fighting for freedom. Patrick Henry was one of the Founding Fathers at the time our country was started. They signed the Constitution in 1787. The new government had three parts: the Congress, which makes laws, the President, who signs and carries out laws, and the courts, who read and explain laws. All three of these parts are equal. A Bill of Rights was added 4 years later. It lists the rights of the people. And here on this caption, it says Martin Luther King Jr. fought for rights. Law of the land. Today, people still follow the Constitution. It protects the people of the United States. It is the law of the land. And here is the glossary that explains again what all those words were meaning in case you needed to learn more. The Bill of Rights is 10 parts of the Constitution that protect people's rights. The government is the people who make laws and decisions for a city, state, or country. A document is a piece of paper that has important information on it. Laws are rules made by the government that must be followed. Founding Fathers are the leaders when the United States became a country. Protects means to keep something or someone safe from harm. If you enjoyed learning about the Constitution, you can find out more at the library by checking out some of these books. And also, you could go on the web or internet to learn more about the U.S. Constitution by going to these different sites. And again, the index of a book tells you where you could go back and learn more. So if you wanted to find out more about our freedoms, you would find them on pages 10 and 11 of this book. Do you know what pages you would look on if you wanted to learn more about laws? Here's the word laws. So what pages would you look for? 6 and 20. And that's the end of this book. If you enjoyed this book, you can read more books just like this one on EPIC, including the Bill of Rights, which we learned a little bit about today. Have a great day.